Hello, this is my homework. Today I will replace Sammy and Peter in lesson 9. Daddy Doji. Let's go. Sammy. Oh, Peter. What are you doing here? I learn near here. And you? I'm exercising. Exercise? But now it's 30. I know. But I never get up before 8 a.m. 8 a.m.? That's late. What time do you get up? 6 a.m. 6 a.m.? That's early. What do you do in the morning? Well, after I get up, I usually make breakfast, get dressed, put on my makeup, and go to school. What time do you go to school? 6:45 a.m. 6:45 a.m.? Yes. And my class stands up at 11:45 a.m. Oh. What do you do then? Then I come back home. At lunch time, I normally eat some things and take a nap. In the afternoon, I usually do my homework. On Wednesday and Saturday, I go to English class, and on the other days, I clean the house. Then I take a shower, make dinner, do the laundry, and check my email. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. and I'm always listening to music before going to bed because it makes me easy to sleep. Oh, I know. Don't you ever go out? Oh, on the weekend I often go out with my friends. I go to English club. Where are you learning English? I'm studying in Langmaster. Langmaster? Oh, I also enrolled in that. Really? Oh, hope that we will meet there. Me too. Finish.